Hey, nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris, and I waited late at night to record this because it's our Halloween food pantry haul.
Uncle Chris, what you got cooking? Smells so good. Everyone's looking.
It's late at night and Halloween Eve, and we're going to start from the left to the right. Okay. This was a good haul. We got some wonderful cream corn. We got some cut sweet potatoes in a can. Now, you know I'm going to make my candied yams out of that. Then we got, look at this, 4 cans of pink salmon. Seafood cakes are on the way. We're having a seafood cake party, okay? Beans, 2 cans of black beans. Black-eyed peas, pinto beans. And look, low sodium on the pinto beans. Diced tomatoes, no salt added. 2 cans of those. Mixed fruit and extra light syrup. 2 cans of those too. Then we got this ready-made meals. They're like pasta. You just add the meat, cook them up on the stove. The directions are on the back. These aren't bad. I'll check what the sodium content is with them. I've had these before. Got some jambalaya rice. Mr. Dean on the scene will make that. 2 more cans of mixed veggies. Yes. And I'm so excited about this. 2 cans of pumpkin puree. I am making my pumpkin soup, y'all. That's going to be for this fall and Halloween. I love both. Some vegetable beef concentrate. I use this to make either soup, stew, or gravy. It's great in the slow cooker with your meat. Oh, yeah. We got some peanut butter and jelly. Love that. And as an extra bonus, look at this. All these peppers came out of the garden. We have a mixture of them. These dark purplish black ones. They smell wonderful. The green ones, some of the little red chilies. Oh my goodness. Oh, these smell so good, you all. I'm going to make my hot sauce. My Diablo hot sauce. You're going to like it. We're jumping over here. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boxes of macaroni. Right on time because I'm going to go casserole crazy in this fall season. Yes. Even for the holidays, I'm going to have my special holiday casserole. I've never made that before. I'm going to show you guys how you do that. Jiffy Mix, 2 boxes. Oh, I love Jiffy. You just don't know. That's so cool. Then we got some spaghetti. Get the phone case out the way. We got some nice spaghetti. This will make a... Oh, now, you don't just have to make spaghetti. You can make a pasta dish. You can even make cold spaghetti salads with this. It's very good. Then check this out. They gave away boxes of Jell-O and Jell-O pudding. Chocolate, pistachio, lime, and raspberry. I love these two. You put them separately, but then put them together in cubes and stuff. Oh, yeah. Then I got some cake mix. Check this out. Yellow cake mix with some cream cheese frosting. You know. Yes, absolutely. Then I got some strawberry cake mix. And I got some chocolate frosting. Of course, there was the chocolate frosting with this. And this cream cheese with the strawberry. But I'm going to make this cream cheese strawberry frosting. I'll show you how you do that. Now, 2 cans of fruit mix. I've got, I don't know what this is, like pears and peaches and stuff, and juice. Then I got just pears and extra light syrup. Then I got the fruit mix in its juice. 2 cans of that. Love that stuff. Also love my little misting cauldron. Look at this, nieces and nephews. We have a bag of chicken legs. This makes such good soup for the fall weather. Ooh. And then I've got the white chicken in the pouches, fully cooked, This you can use this on salads. You can use it in soups, and it makes some of the best chicken salad you have ever tasted. I kid you not. That's right. Then we have some ground pork, which I could mix with some meat, ground beef, and make some wonderful meatloaf, the holiday style. Or just use this ground pork for tacos. Look at this. This has really got me excited. It's a whole bag of soup starter mix. In other words, it's the broth, it's the vegetables. You just add the meat and make your own soup. This is great in the slow cooker. If you just take half of this and make your soup, then take the other half and put in, let's say, a pork loin or a beef loin. Cook it in that with just a little bit of seasoning. Oh my goodness. Your holidays are set. Right, Mr. Pumpkin? I'm telling you, they are set. Then down here, we've got some fish. Alaskan pollock. Nice. Soak these in some buttermilk. Bake them in the oven. Wonderful. Now let's give a little pan of everything we have this haunted evening. That was so exciting. Thanks to the generosity of the food pantries and the people that donate to them, we have a lot of great recipes for the fall and cold weather and holidays. The haunted refrigerator hums again. All right. I want you to not be afraid to reach out to the food pantries, okay? It'll help out, especially with the holidays coming up if you've got to stretch your budget. Now, I want you to like. I want you to comment. I want you to subscribe. And I want you to have a wonderful night of Halloween fun, of course, on this spooky, haunted night. All right. I hope you enjoyed this. Now, I'm going to see you back again for more October and Fall Fest. Till then, pleasant dreams or nightmares.
Uncle Chris, what you got cooking smells so good. Everyone's looking.